Hello and welcome to Aromatherapy Wizardry. I'm Michelle Mailer and today we're going to talk about allergy relief. I have been using a blend of essential oils that I created about 20 years ago for allergy relief, like postnasal drip, irritated eyes, stuffy head, just all the wonderful symptoms you can get from the spring buds and blooms and grass and all those fun things. So you can use a few different essential oils if you have them. The ones that I used in my blend are rosemary, geranium, eucalyptus, clary sage, and blue tansy and peppermint. If you don't have all of those, you can use eucalyptus, peppermint, and rosemary, or you can use a blend of lavender and rosemary and eucalyptus. I would suggest a combination of 2 or 3 oils instead of just one. They seem to work better in a synergy, which is a combination of oils, than just a single oil. You could, if you wanted, try just sniffing some eucalyptus on a Kleenex. If you have that, though, that might work for some people. And it definitely helps with the respiratory system. I've been using a Kleenex with eucalyptus, a few drops dripped on it in my pillowcase over the years for when I have congestion in my lungs or head or sinuses, and it helps you while you're sleeping without being a super strong smell, and it's very, very easy to use. So if you want to mix a blend of essential oils to use topically for allergies, which is topically you would apply them to the sides of your nose right here, behind your ears, base of the neck, and then some people like to also put a little up here because the sinus points are here, 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 and then the base of your neck is also connected to that because that's your brain stems. So what I use is a roll-on like this. I'll show you what it looks like. It's got a little roller ball. This is 1/3 of an ounce, and I have a lot of these bottles and I use them for a lot of the blends I make. You can get them online pretty easily. You just want to get a glass 1/3 ounce roll-on bottle, and you're going to use about 10 to 13 drops total of your essential oils in 1/3 ounce, and the rest is going to be carrier oil. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it is very powerful. And if you put too many oils in there, you can actually get irritation with your eyes from too strong of oils near your face, on your eyes. So 1/3 ounce carrier oil, like jojoba, fractionated coconut, something like that. Some people like to use grapeseed. I personally prefer jojoba because it absorbs very quickly, and I don't want my face feeling oily. So I would roll a little on my fingertips, apply it to the sides of the nose, behind the ears, base of the neck, and you do that every few hours. You could also do your chest if your chest is congested. So that's my sinus freedom recipe. And blue tansy is one of the ingredients that's a little harder to find than the others. It's not that necessary to put that one in. There's another one you can use that may be easier to find. It's called Niaouli, and that's spelled Niaouli. It's been used in Europe for many centuries for allergies, sinus infections, mold damage, and things like that people have had with their sinus and olfactory system. So the Niaouli is a great one to add if you want a little bonus for the allergies and real deep sinus infections and, like I said, mold damage that you've had, or if you live in a place where there's mold, that can help you with diffusing or applying it. So there's some wonderful tips for you. Don't ever apply essential oils straight onto your face because it will irritate your skin. It doesn't work as well as if it's in a carrier. The carrier actually does carry it in to your mucous membranes deep in here without having to put it up your nose or under your nose. So a little bit right here behind the ears works wonderful. So happy mixing, and I'll see you next time. Visit circleofhealingessentialoils.com to find my sinus freedom blend. Have a great day.